Hello everyone, this is Jura from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Jura A with us in the shop. And I came in for a few things. Mainly it was clogged up, the machine, both being from the spout and then also from the brew unit. When we went in there, we seen that there was quite a bit of coffee buildup, enough so to where we had to adjust the estimate for a little bit more time cleaning it out. And so pretty much all we did to this machine was a tune-up. And what a tune-up involves is removing the panel to get inside the brew chamber, take out the whole brew unit, reservice the brew unit by fully cleaning it, replacing all the gaskets, both in the bottom valve plus the gaskets that actually are on the brewing side. Cleaned the whole inside of the brew chamber, put it back together, did a lot of cleaning of the spouts, and then a lot of cleaning cycles and descaling. And so now that we have the machine, I'm just going to do a quick shot real quick. And there's that shot for you. And that's about it for this video. If you like to repair any of it or repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.